good morning. So this is another 8:30 video and I'm a little bit fresher. So we're gonna visit the cat temple today, Gotokuji. It's in the west of Tokyo. I'm just gonna jump on a train in Shinjuku, meet my friend, and then we're gonna explore a little more rural area just outside of Tokyo. It's really awesome. You can see all the little cats waving at you, and if you like it, please subscribe. Make sure you let me know what you think, and then I see you in a little while. Bye bye. So we're here now and we can already see the first cat. We just arrived in Gotokuji station and we're gonna find some food and a coffee because I need some coffee, right? So I'll see you in a minute at our first stop. Happiness in a cup. So I just finished my coffee. I'm awake, as you can see, and then we're just gonna go. We're kind of here, and we're gonna go over here. Here. See all the cats. So let's go. I just got to the temple here. You see the door. We're gonna go inside. I'm really excited to see all the cats. So I bring you in now. Let's go. And as we're entering the temple grounds, you can already see how beautiful this place is. With this big iron cast incense burner here, right at the beginning at the entrance. And just a few steps from it, you can see this beautiful wooden pagoda. As we're walking along, we find the Emma plaques for your wishes and your prayers. And of course, this too has the little lucky cat on top of it, along with this year's zodiac animal, the rat. Sure, there's plenty of other cats here to see, but we didn't come here for him. Let's see if we can find the other ones. Oh, look here at the left, I can see some tiny white spots. So we're just on the way to the cats. So this is the highlight. We're here. We made it. Have a look. So many. So many. And here they are, the lucky cats, or also Maneki Neko. And as the legend has it, they're supposed to bring in good luck and good fortune. But wait, did you know that depending on their paw, they bring in different things? Have a look. These guys are all raising their right paw, which means they're inviting good fortune and money. But sometimes you also see them raising their left paw, which is supposed to attract customers and bring people into your life. But here at Gotokuji, they all have the right paws up, so you won't really have a choice. Nevertheless, some other temples, or often at souvenir stores, you do have a choice. So it is good to know which one you might want to attract, right? So there's also lots of other cats you can find, like this one here. You can do a little photo. It's really cute. We're going to go inside now and have a look at all the stuff they have we can buy. Maybe get a little cat, or I don't know. We'll see what we get inside there. So let's go. so I just got a few things. I got this one. I'll show you. It's really cute. It's a tiny, teeny tiny lucky cat. I love this. So I'm gonna feature this a little bit more in the future. So cute. If you love this one. Yeah? Small. And it was like 300 yen, which is $3. And second one is a little bit bigger. Yeah. So he was like 500 yen, but I love him. And I thought maybe I give it to someone as a present. I don't know yet, but I just think it's so cute. So, second cat. And I think, yeah, he was 500 yen. So still totally okay, like $5. And sure, how many times you come back here, it's a lovely souvenir. Definitely something you could get, and it fits into your suitcase. So I think it's a super good buy. So this one too. So now we're just about to leave. I'm gonna go find some lunch. Pretty hungry at this point because we only got coffee, there was no breakfast. So I'll see you now next stop. See you later. What? It is not open. So we just got to another closed restaurant. I'm gonna cry in a minute. I'm so hungry and we just don't know where else to go because everything is closed. Okay, so just one last stop. There is this really nice, what is it, beets? What is it? It's sweet potato. And they have all these different flavors. Actually, they're not different flavors. They have all these different colorful sweet potatoes from all around Japan. So I think we're gonna try the purple one because we're starving and everything was closed. So this is our only chance to get a little bit of food while we're here. So gonna get some food. We got it. They only had this one color because only in autumn and in winter you can get the different colors, like here behind me. So we got quite lucky because they were the last three. This has been a really early morning, so let's see. It's funny how something so simple can be so tasty. It's really the little pleasure, so make sure you bookmark this here if you're gonna come to see the cat temple, because this should definitely be on your list. And I guess with that, I'm calling it a day. So if you do like it, then like it with my potato, like it here or here. And subscribe, and I see you next Saturday. Bye bye. Bye bye.